Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Reolink camera keeps showing that annoying connection failed error, don't worry. Today I'm breaking down the simplest, most effective fixes you can try. Stick with me till the end because the last tip is a complete game changer that usually solves the issue for good. Let's jump straight in. First, check for a firmware update. Most people skip this, but firmware updates fix a ton of hidden bugs, especially on older Reolink models. Go to the official Reolink website, find your exact camera model, and download the newest firmware available. Install it through the app or browser interface. A fresh update can instantly eliminate the connection failed loop, so don't miss this step. Second, verify your Wi-Fi settings. This is one of the top causes of connection issues. Make sure your camera is close enough to your router. Weak signals often break the connection. Also remember, Reolink cameras only work on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz. So make sure your router is broadcasting 2.4 and that your phone is also connected to that band while setting it up. Finally, double check your Wi-Fi name and password in the Reolink app. Even a small typo can stop the camera from connecting. Third, power cycle everything. This one sounds simple, but trust me, it works more often than you think. Unplug your camera and your Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This clears temporary glitches in both devices and gives the network a clean reset. After everything restarts, try reconnecting again. Fourth, your last resort, factory reset. If nothing else works, reset the camera to its default settings. Check the Reolink manual or website for your specific model's reset instructions. Just keep in mind this wipes all your custom settings, so only do it when every other option fails. And that's it. These steps fix the connection failed error for almost every Reolink camera out there. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments which step solved it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.